tiptoe, don't make a sound. There's a tiny magic door we just found. Shh, look close, what could it be? A little secret just for me. Knock, knock, very slow. A little glow begins to show. Tiny light is peeking through. Is it magic? Is it new? Turn the knob just a bit. Golden sparkles start to sit. Something moves behind the door. Should we open just a little more? Wait, wait, what's inside? Let's take a peek. Don't run, don't hide. Slowly, slowly, here we go. Something's waking in the glow. Open the door, just a little more. Zappo! What's inside we've never seen before? Tiny surprise, shining so bright. Magic is hiding in the light. Open the door, come and explore. Every step we wanted more and more. Little by little we will see what this magic door can be. Peek, peek, can you see? Two small eyes look back at me. Giggle, giggle, soft and sweet. Tiny footsteps, tap, tap, feet. Glow grows bigger, colors fly. Little stars float in the sky. Something fun is jumping through. A mini world just came in view. Closer, closer, don't be late. The door is opening, just wait. Lights are dancing round and round. Magic spinning without a sound. Ready, ready, here we go. Open the door wide open now. Zappo! Magic is everywhere somehow. Colors and friends shining so free. This is a world of mystery. Open the door, don't be afraid. Every dream we wished is made. Tiny door, big surprise. Magic lives before your eyes. Tiptoe, tiptoe, now we know. Magic lives where tiny doors glow.